Hello everyone, a huge and warm welcome to on my channel Math with Games. Today I am presenting you a third part of the chapter Number System of Class Ninth. Today topic is exponents of This topic is mainly based on the topic for class 8 law of exponent. There are some laws of exponent. First, if bases are same and multiply sign between them, then we add the power. If bases are same but divide sign in between them, then we subtract the power. A to the power m, its whole to the power n, a number having a 2 power, then we multiply both the powers. A की power minus n, that means negative power, then we reciprocal the number. If a number having a negative power, then we reciprocal the number to convert into a positive power. One की power a. Fifth rule is same as in fourth. 1 by a की power whole power minus n is equal to a की power n. And sixth rule is if a number having a power 0, the result is 1. This is the basic rule, we can say, on which the topic of exponent of rational numbers are dependent. Number 1, bases are same, multiply sign between them, then we add the power. Number 2, bases are same, divide sign between them, then we subtract the power. A number having a 2 power, then we multiply both of them. If a number having a negative power, then reciprocal the number, reciprocal the base, then the power will be a positive. If a number having a 0 as a power, the result is a 1. Now we go for the question 64 की power 1 by 3. Firstly, the base is 64. So prime factor of 64 is 2 की power 6. This is a simple. Now 2 powers are there. Which rule, which law you are applied in the question, you have mentioned that rule or that law. Both powers are multiply, cancel out किया simplification से. 2 square is 4. वन 125 की पावर 1 minus 1 by 5. Now 125 is minus 1 by 3. 125 is cube of 5. Same rule. Now the base is same, base is single and the negative power, that means so it is 1 by 5 की power 1, that means 1 by 5. एक बार मैं इनको रिपीट कर देती हूँ। 64 की पावर 1/3 था। 64 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 की पावर 6 बेस 6 पावर बेस 2 पावर 6, 2 की पावर 6 is equal to 64. Then according to our law, if two power on the same base, then we multiply both of them. So we multiply by 6 and 1/3. 6 को and 1/3 को सिंप्लीफिकेशन किया, 2 आया, दैट मीन्स 2 की पावर 2, 2 की पावर स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ 125 की पावर माइनस 1/3, 125 इज क्यूब ऑफ 5. Then we multiply both of the power, cancel at 5 की पावर -1. बेटा क्वेश्चन में अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है राइट द आंसर इन अ पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म, जो आपका आंसर है उसको आपने पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में करना है तो आपको ये स्टेप करना कंपलसरी हो जाता है. दिस स्टेप इज नेसेसरी इन दैट पार्ट. 5 की पावर -1 है, माइनस में है, पावर नेगेटिव हमने कभी नहीं छोड़नी. उसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम अपनी बेस को रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं. 5 है, डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं है, दैट मीन्स 1, तो 5/1 इज इक्वल टू 1/5. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Look at the third question for the same. 64 upon 25 की पावर -3/2. 64 दैट मीन्स बेटा अब हमने यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा कि दोनों नंबर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में से ऐसा सेम नंबर हमने लेना है कि जिनकी बहुत पावर स्क्वायर बने, तभी ये 2 बाहर वाले 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होके कैंसिल आउट होगा. तो इस केसेस में 64 इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 8, 25 इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 5. Now we multiply both of the power, cancel out 2 to 2, 8 की पावर 5 -3. The rule we used, the law we used, we have to mention, that is necessary, must condition है. पावर नेगेटिव है, नेगेटिव कंडीशन का लो रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. 8/5 को हम 5/8 का, नाउ इट इज़ अ क्यूब 3, ये -3 था, ये पॉजिटिव आ गया. क्यूब मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई द सेम नंबर 3 टाइम. 5 5 द 25, 25 5 द 125, 8 8 द 64, 64 8 द 512. तो क्यूब ऑफ 5 इज 125, क्यूब ऑफ 8 इज 512. आई रिपीट इट अगेन. आवर क्वेश्चन इज 64 की पावर 25, 64/25 की पावर -3/2. So firstly we square both the number, we get the number in terms of a square. Square of 8 is 64, square of 5 is 25. So 8/25 का whole square की पावर, whole power is -3/2. We multiply both the power 2 and -3/2. 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट. 8/5 की पावर -3. तो अगर हमारे पास यहाँ नेगेटिव है, नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हमने रेसिप्रोकल किया. तो 5/8 का क्यूब, क्यूब ऑफ 5 इज़ 125, क्यूब ऑफ 8 इज़ 512. हाँ जी बेटा. स्टूडेंट्स अभी आपने जो लास्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस देखे थे वहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंट रोल्स को यूज़ करते हुए अपने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया था. पावर्स को है नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव किया था और बेस को एक सिंगल डिजिट टर्म में, एक सिंगल उसमें लेके आए थे. अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास इसमें ऐसे आते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो है फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. These types of questions are not found in the NCERT, but this is a hidden syllabus, hidden curriculum of class 9th. Firstly, the question is 5 की पावर x -3 and 3 की पावर 2x -8 is equal to 225. राइट हैंड साइड में जो हमारे पास नंबर है हम उसके प्राइम फैक्टर से फैक्टराइजेशन करके देखेंगे कि 225 के हमारे पास क्या नंबर आ रहे हैं. डिवाइडेड बाय 5, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 5 9 the 3 3. That means 5 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 3. 5 square, 3 square. Now, on this step, we have to compare the power of both the same rational number. That means 5 की power x minus 3 in the left hand side and 5 की power square 5 2 is on the right hand side. Similarly, 3 की power 2x minus 8 is equal to left hand side and 3 square is right hand side. So we have to compare these powers. Bases are same. Now power is compare. 3 is negative here, then we move it to the right hand side. The sign of negative is converted into a positive. 2 plus 3 5. Now 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. Similarly, sorry, 10 x की power 10 by 2 5. You have to take only one comparison, either 5 or 3. I have to do both of them because I want to see the so that the answer is the same in both the cases. I repeat the question again. 5 की power x minus 3 multiplied by 3 की power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. We have to making a first step is prime factorization on that side in which having a without x. The without x is 225. Prime factorization of 225 is 5 square multiplied by 3 square. Now comparing the same values of the coefficient. The 5 की power x minus 3 on left hand side and right hand side 2. So x minus 3 is equal to 2 and left hand side में 3 की power 2x minus 8 and right hand side में 3 square 3 की power 2. Now comparing these two values, 2x minus 8 is equal to 2 and solve them. Answer is 5 in both the cases. There are so many questions in which you have to verify the value of x and you have to proving that just like x की power a upon y की power b multiply by z की power b upon में x की power b divided by x की power b prove that is equal to 1 and so many questions are there. So it needs only practice for that. Firstly, you have to learn all the rows. I recall all that row. If bases are same and there is a multiply sign between them, we add the power. If bases are same, there is a divided sign between them, we subtract the power. Same base having a 2 power, we multiply them. Say, base having a negative power, we reciprocal the base to change the power in a positive way. So there are only 4 laws for your 9th standard, so use in this question. If you have any question and any query, any doubt in any question, please write the question in a comment section. I will solve it very quickly and send it to you. Thank you.